Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best garden hoses in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Gurden Tools Garden Hose 100 feet x 5/8. Water hose, heavy duty, flexible, lightweight hybrid hose with swivel grip handle, male to female fittings. Lightweight, expertly developed hybrid material from rubber and polymer. The lawn hose is lighter than traditional rubber hose while being abrasion resistant and durable. Swivel grip. The movable handle allows the hose to rotate freely to prevent twisting. The handle can also fix the fitting to make the connection with faucet/nozzle/sprinkler more easily and effortlessly. Leak-proof. Professional nickel-plated brass fittings prevent leaks and are crush-resistant. Note that two ends are male and female connectors. All-weather flexible. The rubber component allows the hose to remain flexible in extreme temperatures, defying heat or cold, still easy to coil and uncoil. Number 2. Gurden Hose Reel. Includes 1/2 x 33 hose plus 5-liter hose, blue and gray, 80/10. Buying a portable hose reel, where the hose comes with a spinning housing, is one of the easiest ways to ensure you can easily move and store your garden hose. We like the Gurden 2662U because it doesn't require you to sacrifice length for the sake of storage. At more than 50 feet long, this is all the hose you're likely to need for projects around the house, but the hose has a tiny footprint when you retract it back into the reel. It's surprisingly sturdy for a hose that takes up so little space, and though it's narrower than a standard garden hose, it comes with a set of adapters so you can use it with any standard spigot. Number 1. Water-Right P050 und 4 PRS 7/16. 400 series hose, 50-foot, olive green. Gardner's Water-Right Light 75-foot hose earns its name, weighing in at just 5 pounds. It's optimized for weight by using small 1/2-inch diameter, polyurethane tubing, and aluminum fittings. In use, this is evident. Dragging it out to full length on grass takes only 4.9 pounds of force, and just a little more at 5.8 pounds on concrete. This makes it convenient to handle in the garden, on the patio, or around raised beds. Kink resistance is good, and the weight makes it easy to correct or avoid kinks by twisting or flipping the hose. It is intended for garden use, and it is ideal for that, but it is also drinking water safe, so it could be used for an RV hookup as well. It could also be used for anything else, although the flow rate isn't optimal for things that require a large volume of water.